Are you a woodworker? Do you currently own or are thinking about getting a radial arm chop saw? We picked this one up recently. Got an issue. With the blade guard in place, it's still kind of hard to see where the blade cut is going to line up on the stock. So, we picked up the radial arm saw laser guide on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below. We're going to install it, try it out, let you know how it goes. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. You see it comes with batteries.
But after further inspection, we realize
batteries are already installed. These are extras. Step 1, unplug your saw.
Step 2, retain the blade guard up and out of the way. This is the Bosch GCM12SD. It requires you to retain the blade guard up and out of the way. Your chop saw may require you just to remove the blade guard. Step 3, remove the blade bolt and washer. We're going to have a more complete, thorough description of how to do this on the GCM12SD in an upcoming video. You can see by comparison, the laser washer is about twice the thickness of the washer that came on the saw. Step 4, replace the washer with the laser washer. Your chop saw is probably just like mine, that it's reverse threaded. Keep that in mind. Step 5, tighten the blade bolt. Step 6, return the blade guard back in its original place.
Now that the laser washer is installed and the blade guard is back in place, let's check it out. Now you don't see the red line yet because the washer has to be spinning in order for it to cast the red line, the laser line, like so. Now that's impressive. You know, for $28, an aftermarket laser washer, I'm really impressed. For more tips and how-tos and product recommendations, click the image on your screen now. I'm Eddie Field, Field Guide to DIY. Thanks for watching.